Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to Binance. And if you want to do this, you need to do two steps. First of all, you want to deposit on your Binance account. So you need to set up that deposit, and then afterwards we can go to Pocket Option where we can set up the withdrawal. So the first thing that you need to do right here is you go right here to Binance, log in, and then here exactly where my mouse is will pop up a screen with deposit. I'm not possible to use Binance right here in my country. I can show you exactly with pictures how to do that. But I go now to my desktop right here. And then the first thing that you need to do right here is select this right here. So you will see after this deposit option right there, click on that, and then you will get this screen right here. Then you select right here USDT Tether. There you select TRX, and then you will get this QR code right here. This QR code is important because with this QR code or this link address, we can withdraw money from Pocket Option. So copy this link address right there, and then we go back right here to Pocket Option. We select right here at Pocket Option at Finance Withdrawal. And then right now, once you have money standing right here, you can do the following steps and put that link address right here at the withdrawal option. So fill in this link address right here in your own Pocket Option withdrawal option, and then you can withdraw money from Pocket Option to Binance. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.